The MasterCraft NXT family is all about keeping it simple and fun, and this 2026 NXT23 does just that. This 23-foot boat has been refreshed for the 2026 year, giving you upgraded style, performance, and standard features. I'm Zach Wass with SKIER'S Marine. Let's take a walk through. MasterCraft has many gel coat options. This boat is equipped with a white and coastal blue flake. At the transom of the boat, you're going to have your SurfStar system giving you a customizable wave. You're also going to have underwater exhaust giving you a nice quiet ride. At the back of the boat, you'll notice the swim platform. You'll see that we have a swim platform step that drops into the water for easy in and out use. Making our way up from this transom step, you have this really nice walkthrough that gives you access into the interior. One option that we have is the storage netting. For the water sports enthusiasts, it's nice to be able to put your life jackets and your ropes in there. And you can't forget about the power. Here you'll see the 5.3 liter Ilmor motor with 380 horsepower and 410 foot-pounds of torque. As we come into the interior of the 2026 NXT23, you're going to see the ZFT6 tower that is colored in black. It's got your clamping board racks that folds in and out, nice and easy. You'll have your M80 tower speakers. To give you the best sound quality out of your stereo, MasterCraft has switched to Meridian Audio for 2026. In the interior, pleated seating is now standard. There are a couple different options for vinyl. We chose to go with Cool Feel. To keep you comfortable, this boat is equipped with ample storage, phone holders, and cup holders for the whole family. For the water sports family, you can option this boat with a convertible rear flip seating. While cruising, you can look at the view in front of you. While surfing, you can check out the action behind the boat. Here at the helm, there's been a lot of changes, starting with the keyless start. No more leaving your keys at the dock. Type in a 4-digit code and you're ready to go. With SurfStar, you have 3 easy-to-use settings. With the push of a button, you can have 3 different waves. For those die-hard surfers, go to Custom Surf and dial it in to your liking. One nice touch from MasterCraft is the easy-to-use audio knob. You can adjust your music without any distractions. New for 2026 is RGB lighting. Adjust it from the helm and choose from 11 different color options. Here we are at the bow of the boat, my personal favorite spot. You have plenty of storage, ample seating, cup holders, and your Meridian Audio. Thank you for joining us as we toured the refreshed 2026 NXT23. For more information or to see this boat in person, visit us at one of your closest SKIER'S Marine locations or visit us at skiersmarine.com.